Hey everyone, this is Eric from Eric Burton Reviews. Welcome. This is a new review on TradeOurMoney.com. Now, as you know, I have been a trader for quite a few years now, and I've learned how to trade from home online for a living, and I'm doing that consistently every week and every month and every year. So if you want to learn more, stay tuned. Reach your financial goals by day trading with TradeOurMoney.com, regardless of your background or previous experience. It doesn't matter if you are looking for a side income or trying to replace your full-time income or working towards retirement. With the Trade Our Money proprietary system, you can learn from a professional trader and leverage their experience for yourself as you start down the path towards financial freedom. Click on the link in the description below to schedule a free coaching consultation today. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to earn income online and learning how to day trade from home to earn a consistent living, you want to check this little review out, and it's going to be a consistent review that I'm going to go back to and give you more information and more details. If you're interested already, click on the link in the description below and you can get a free coaching consultation that will help give you more information on this opportunity. Okay, so as you can see your 4 steps of planning to trade our money. Okay, so basically there's a lot of opportunity out there for this, but it's really hard to try to pass a lot of the trading prop firms that you see out there. Well, this company, they actually give you money slow and sure and consistently over time to help you build and understand how to grow your income by starting with theirs, okay? And learn how to trade our money with no obligations meeting to any exactly or how exclusive indicators work. Now, to understand that, they have proprietary indicators, and it's a system that they've developed over the past at least 10 years now to where they can teach you how to use their indicators and platforms to read the market to earn income from home, okay, consistently. And they continue to add money to your account, their money, so that you can build up and start earning that $50 a day or $100 a day or more. I know I've done this. I've been through this program already, and I can tell you from personal experience that these guys know what they're talking about. They know what they're doing. They're down to earth. But let's get into more of the review, okay? I don't want you to think that I'm biased, but I kind of am, but also at the same time, I can't express enough to you how much I've learned over quite a few years now from these coaches and these professional trainers in TradeOurMoney.com. And they give you advanced coaching over your shoulder coaching, and they do it consistently, maybe once a week or twice a week if you want to. It depends on your schedule as well. But as you can see, there's information to learn more. There's also a contact, and we also have a reviews page here that you can go and watch their blog and get some consistent information from that blog. You also have a start 14-day demo now, which basically means that they're going to give you 14 days with this platform for free while they're over your shoulder coaching you, okay? And they'll do it online with you in real time. It's not like it's recorded or you have to go through some information that's pre-recorded. They actually do it with you at that very moment, okay? And normally they're about an hour at a time, okay? So if you want a flexible way of supplementing or replacing your income, you got a lot of these places now that want you to sell something, or they want you to go on Amazon and start selling products. Well, this is the best way, I feel, to earn income online. Now, it's any type of market you can think of: the crypto market, the stock market, the Forex market, the currency trading market, which I like to call it, which is my favorite, because the currency trading market is a $4+ trillion per day market. That's what it has in volume. So if you don't think that you couldn't pull $50 or $100 out of that market or more consistently every day that the market is open, then you're not understanding what you can actually accomplish online with earning income, okay? And it states here on the website, lacking previous day trading experience, it's okay. True for beginners to experienced investors. Their program welcomes all, and it helps every single trader. It doesn't matter what your level is, okay? Not sure if you have the time to day trade? I take 30 minutes a day. That's all it takes for me. I make 2 or 3 trades in that 30 minutes time normally, and I'm done for the day. And you can see their traders earn income trading as little as 1 hour each day or less. Okay, but 1 hour is the general standard, okay? And don't know if it's right for your financial situation? Well, their program helps you reach your own version of financial freedom. Some people start out small and they build. Some people start out big and they continue and stay consistent. That's my take on that. If you want to understand that trading is something that you have to learn a little bit consistently, but over time it's going to work, okay? Is day trading a practical source of income for you or your business? Well, it should be. I know a lot of people say that you should have 3 or 4 different types of income sources, and that's good for them, but it's a lot for everybody to think about, okay? But if you're focusing on one, like trading a specific market and using these indicators, then it helps you out, okay? Life is too short. There's a lot of information on this website that can help you. But what I'm going to do right now for this one spot here is I'm going to go over this one video here, right? Okay, so that you understand where people are coming from, and everyday people can earn income online, okay? So let's see what some of the traders in this program have to say.
When I say that it has fundamentally changed my life, it really has. I'm able to generate revenue and at the same time, be able to, see my kids off at school or when they come home. I have a lot more flexibility in time.
When I first set out to do it, it wasn't, my mindset wasn't, let me quit my job. It was more like, I'm making good money at the grocery store. How can I, 1, supplement it, and 2, pad myself for retirement, right? But then to answer your question, about 1.5 years in, I looked at it and went, oh my gosh, I could actually do both. So I could actually pad my retirement and quit my job and still have income coming in. And so that's exactly what I did. About 1.5 years, 2 years roughly in, I convinced my wife that it was a good idea to quit my job.
I started off with a $2,500 account, and I was pulling off, average 25 bucks a day. As I started trading, as I started doing that consistently, that account started growing because all that profit I put back into the account, to the point where that $25 grew to $50, and then it grew on to $100, and within 6 months I had that up to a point where I was able to make an extra 300 bucks a day before I went to work.
So you see, ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to start out big, okay? You can start out small and stay consistent and build, and that's what this gentleman has done here. And I can tell you from personal experience, that's what I have also done. I didn't start out like I was a wealthy person to begin with, okay? These people are normal, everyday people, and this TradeOurMoney.com system, they have a wonderful set of proprietary indicators for any market that you can think of. Like I said before, the crypto market, the stock market, and especially the currency trading or Forex market, okay?
So that's the point when I shortly after that, that's the short point when I decided this is what I want to do full-time. And I've been doing it full-time ever since.
I was able to quit the job that I was working because of the profit that I was making was sustainable for myself and my family.
I remember when I was around month 3 and I started making $100 plus a day, and I was getting really excited. And then as I was doing more and more, and I got another 3-month review, and they added more money to those accounts, and all of a sudden it was building and building. And then later down the road, about my year mark, when I made my first $1,000 in a day, and I was stoked. I was so excited. I was just overwhelmed. And now I'm even further down that road and have consistently been able to hit numbers like that on a daily basis.
I don't necessarily think in like dollar amounts, I think in percent amounts. So for me, I would say on average, I'm doing probably 6 to 10% a month. And that's where I'm comfortable. That's where I'm growing steadily.
So ladies and gentlemen, that is just a brief review. I'm going to have several more reviews on this opportunity in this program. TradeOurMoney.com is for real. They're real people. They're real professionals. And they learn how to coach every student with every different type of personality that you can think of. Okay, so if you're one that's a little skeptical, it's okay. I was too. Click on the link in the description below and start the free 14-day trial and get that over your shoulder coaching so that you can try it out for yourself. You just never know. If you're the type of person that's willing to stay steady and consistent, you can make money online from home. And I know in these days and times right now, it's fairly difficult for many families out there to earn income. I know I've heard it every day from people and normal folks like yourself. And I'm the same way, okay? It's always a consistent struggle. But if you're willing to take a step in the right direction, I feel that this is one of the best directions you could take, because it's a financial market, especially with the currency trading market, like I said before, that is a $14 trillion per day industry. That means the volume in that market is over 4 trillion. I'm sorry, did I say 14? I meant 4 trillion, okay? But a $4 trillion volume per day market is huge, okay? It's a monster. And if you could take $50, $100 or even more out per day consistently, then you're gonna make a good passive income there, okay? And it's gonna be consistent, and it can take you 30 minutes and maybe up to an hour, okay? So check back on my consistent reviews of TradeOurMoney.com. Click on the link in the description below if you want a free coaching session, and also if you want to get started with the 14-day trial, click on the link in the description below as well, and they will connect with you as soon as they can to get you started. Okay? Thank you for coming to Eric Burton Reviews. I hope to see you in the next video.